Login failed on Chime Spending App Fix. You open the Chime app to see your latest deposits or spending balance and suddenly, the login fails. Don't panic. Most people get this wrong and assume their account is frozen, but in most cases, it's just a temporary glitch that's easy to fix. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Chime requires a secure and active connection to process logins. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and then reopen the app. If you're still seeing the error, check whether Chime servers are under maintenance. You can test this by logging into Chime.com through a browser. If the website also shows issues, wait a bit, these updates usually finish quickly. Next, confirm that your app is up to date. Open your App Store, search for Chime, and tap Update if you see that option. Older app versions can cause login errors because they don't match Chime's latest security settings. If the app is updated and the servers are fine, try resetting your password. Tap Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the prompts. Make sure to create a strong, unique password that's not used anywhere else. Another fix is clearing the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, find Chime under Apps, and choose Clear Cache. This removes outdated session data that can cause login loops. Finally, disable any FIN or proxy connections. Chime's fraud detection system can block access if your IP address seems unusual or from another region. In short, a failed login doesn't mean your account is gone, it's just a security precaution. By checking your connection, updating your app, and refreshing your login, you can fix it fast and get back to banking with ease.